Where the name comes from? Garden City. The whole area down there was Chinese garden. When the city was incorporated, the Chinese all moved out. So they named the city the Garden City. Chinden Boulevard is a contraction of Chinese garden, Chinden. That wasn't a city until, I believe it was 1940, 49 or 48. I was born and raised in China until I was 16. My great-grandfather was here back in the late 1800s. He was a gold miner in Idaho City. After the mining was over, he came down to Boise area and started farming. When he got old, he went back to China. Then my grandfather came over to take over the business. So when my grandfather retired, he went back to China. My father and my uncle came over and took over. So we started farming in Garden City. We're in the right in the middle of the war. The Japanese occupy our county. Doesn't mean hardship, no food, starvation. Yeah. It's a miracle that I talk to you right now. I would have been starved to death. My family was here, so I was eligible to come as the son of the citizen. My father was a citizen. They took me 3 years to process the visa. Pan Am. Have you ever heard of Pan Am? There's the ticket. $700 back in 1949, a lot of money. $700 back then probably equivalent to maybe $4,000 or $5,000 today's money. My father scraped everything up for me. Yeah, here's an article about me being having a hard time with the consulate. That's my grandfather. You see this picture all over Boise. This is my grandmother. Okay. That's my family, my grandfather, grandmother. See brown feet? My sister. That's me, my father, my mother. That's me. No, that's me and my mother, my sister, my aunt, and my cousin. It's a ticket in Hong Kong. Student ID. I keep track of all this stuff. It has another student certificate. There's some of the old money. I found them when I went back to China, and it was still in the old house. So I just scripted everything on. This is my report card.
So your mom kept everything.
Yeah. This is my great-grandmother. This is the village where I was born and raised. I grew up. Anyway, that's the story of my life.